Clients are not paying for your perfect portfolio. They're paying for someone who can solve their problem right now. So many beginners delay everything because they feel na hindi pa sapat ang alam nila. Their experience is not enough. Hindi pa enough yung mga samples na meron sila. Hindi pa polish, kumbaga. So they keep improving in private instead of getting seen in public. While they're perfecting, someone less skilled out there but more visible is getting the client. Remember this, clients hire outcomes, not resumes. They want to know if you can fix their problem, if they can trust you. Kung magiging okay ba ang lahat kapag nakipag-work sila with you. That's it. Your job isn't to be the most skilled person in the room. It's to be the most visible, the most trustworthy option in front of the right person. So stop hiding behind not ready yet. Take what you have right now, even if it's just one small project or one mock-up sample, and put it in front of someone who could hire you. Imperfect and visible beats perfect and invisible every time.